GST collection declines marginally to touch 86,318 crore rupees in January. Revenue collection from goods and services tax (GST) touched 86,318 crore rupees in January, falling marginally from previous month's mop-up. Data released by Finance Ministry on Tuesday showed the government total tax kitty was 86,703 crore rupees in December after revenue slipped considerably in November. The revenue numbers for January indicate tax collection till February 25. Till now, 1.03 crore taxpayers have been registered under the new indirect tax system, out of which 57.78 lakh GST R3B summary form returns have been filed for January. Out of the total number of taxpayers, 16.42 lakh are composition dealers who file returns every quarter. The numbers indicate that only 69% of businesses have paid taxes in January. GST revenue collections for January is slightly less than December collections. But it is pertinent to note that only 69% taxpayers have filed GST R3B for January. However, a closer look at the numbers show that northeastern states, Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, are far behind in compliances, and government should put sufficient efforts to encourage taxpayers in those states to file returns, said Vishal Rahaya, DGM GST taxman. A total of 17.65 lakh dealers had opted for composition scheme for small manufacturers, traders and restaurants paying tax at concessional rate. However, 1.23 lakh taxpayers have opted out of the scheme and will now have to file returns as regular taxpayers. It is good to see that more than 1 lakh taxpayers have opted to move out of the composition scheme and become normal dealers. This will pave the way for an expansion of the tax base and lead to more collections, said M.S. Mani, Senior Director, Deloitte India. States have collected revenue of 19,961 crore rupees in January, while the center raised 14,233 crore rupees. Integrated GST, IGST, collections, which is levied on interstate supply of goods and services and is divided between states and the center, stood at 43,794 crore rupees. The center released 8,331 crore rupees as compensation cess. After settlement of IGST collected between states and the center GST, CGST, amounted to 25,560 crore rupees, and while state GST, SGST, at 33,440 crore rupees. Further, 11,327 crore rupees is being transferred from IGST to CGST account and 13,479 crore rupees is being transferred from IGST to SGST account by way of settlement of funds on account of cross-utilization of IGST credit for payment of CGST and SGST respectively, or due to interstate B2C transactions. Thus, a total amount of 24,806 crore rupees is being transferred from IGST to CGST, SGST account by way of settlement, Finance Ministry said in a release. Tax experts expected a higher mop-up in January and going forward, anticipate rigorous measures against tax evasion. It was expected that February tax collection numbers for month of January would be better than this, as GST was settling in, and impact of opening credit was assumed to have been largely factored in previous months, said Prateek Jain, partner and leader, Indirect Tax, PwC. With the rollout of e-way bill getting deferred to April 1 and a continuing shortfall in number of monthly returns getting submitted, we may see administrative tightening and more rigorous anti-evasion measures in next few months. One can also expect a closer scrutiny of opening credit claimed by business houses, Jain said. For more news updates, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, WhatsApp and other social networks.